Ta-da! The brand new Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is in the house, and it is the Slimmest 5000 mAh phone from Realme. It has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED curved vision display, which support a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1260Hz touch sampling rate. It also supports a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, 8+4GB RAM, and up to 256GB of internal storage. Other than that, it comes with 60MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 108MP main camera, 8MP ultra wide angle lens, and 2MP macro lens. As for the camera feature, there is Super Nightscape, which allows you to get more details in Nightscape, Super Group Portrait, Street Photography Mode 3.0, as well as AI Beauty Mode. Last but not least, it is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 67W charge. So yay or nay for you? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and ciao, bye!